Today we have Vivo T4 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. You can use two applications at the same time with the help of split screen feature. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage. If you want to enable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select battery. There you will see the option of battery style and percentage. Click on this. Here you can select how you want to show the battery style, and from here you can show the battery percentage. If you will long press your power button, then it will launch voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of power button. Click on this and then select launch power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your Google Assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. When you are on your home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open this control center and notification center. There is a simple gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. Scroll down and there you will see the option of swipe down on the home screen. Click on this and then select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the blank area like this. Then it will open your control center as well as your notification center. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. By default, this feature is enabled. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen, but somehow if it is disabled, then open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. Now how you can use this: open the smart sidebar. Here it has some default application. If you want to edit this, then click on this little arrow and then select edit. Remove unnecessary application, or you can add your most usable or your favorite application. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any application from this, it will open it in floating window just like this. You can resize it from the corners. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can keep on using your smartphone normally. You can also minimize this. Now whenever you need that application again, simply tap on this, then it will open it for you. So you can use this smart sidebar feature if you like to multitask in your smartphone. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings. There you will see the option of notification and status bar. Click on this and then select status bar. Enable show real-time network speed, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. When your phone is locked, you can long press your volume down button to turn on your flashlight, but you can customize any action for this. If you want to do this, then open your settings and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of quick action. Click on this. As you can see, by default it has selected turn on or off flashlight. You can select record or open Facebook. Otherwise you can select any app, select your favorite application, and then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will automatically launch that application. You can fully customize your locked screen. You can write your name here, you can change the clock style, etc. If you want to do this, then open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, select lock screen settings and then select edit. Click on OK. From here you can change the clock style, you can change the font style and the color of this. Now if you want to write your name or any code, then tap here and then select signature. Then write whatever you want. Click on OK. From here you can also change the quick access application from your locked screen. After this, click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen in this smartphone. You can easily read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. But you must enable the next feature for that. Open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and status bar. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. Now it will save all the notifications that will arrive in your smartphone. Then you can easily read them after someone deleted it from here. You can use any application in floating window just like your desktop or your laptop. Open that application, put it in recent tab and then click on this app icon. Select small window. As you can see, you will be able to use small window feature of any application. You can enable shake to turn on the flashlight feature. By default, this feature is disabled. Open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Select smart motion and there you will see the option of shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen or locked screen, you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select system management and then select system navigation. From here you can change the style and order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select this. Now you can go back like this, jump to your home screen like this and open your recent application like this. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. Open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, select smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Firstly enable double tap to wake and then enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you are not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your home screen, then tap and hold on the home screen, select home settings. There on the top you will see the option of home screen style. Click on this and then select standard style. It will take few seconds. After that it will bring all your application on your home screen as you can see and disable that app drawer. If you want that blinking effect of your flashlight for incoming calls, then open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of flash notifications. Click on this and then enable this. Now when the screen is turned off, the rear camera flash will blink when the event occur or when any call will come to your smartphone. You can make a clone or dual of any application. To do that, open your settings, select apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this. Here it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Enable this. It will take few seconds. After that it will make the clone of that application. As you can see, I have two Snapchats now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings and then select display and brightness. The first feature is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white colors that you have on your screen into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. With the help of next feature, you can increase the clarity on your voice calls. Open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down. There you will see the option of voice isolation. Click on this and then select phone. Select always on. Now it will cut out all the background noise and isolate your voice. That's how it will increase the clarity in your voice calls. You can customize a lot of animations like fingerprint animation, unlocking animation, charging animation, etc. If you want to do that, then open your settings and then select dynamic effects. Here you have a lot of options like you can customize USB insertion animation, you can change charging animation, you can change the face recognition animation, fingerprint icon animation, fingerprint recognition animation, home screen transition animation, and home screen entering animation after unlock. There's a special feature, ambient light effect. If you will click on this, then it will show three different options. The first one is for music. If you will enable this, then it will show that edge lighting, as you can see, when you will play the music. The second one is for incoming calls. If you enable this, then it will show that edge lighting for incoming calls. You can also customize from these effects. And the third one is for notifications. You can select specific apps, so if any notification will come from that application, then it will show edge lighting on your screen. You can also change the sliding effect on your home screen. Tap and hold on the home screen, select home settings, and there you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then come to your home screen, and it will change the transition effect on your home screen. Somehow if your power button is damaged or not working, then you can restart your smartphone or power off your smartphone as well from your control panel. Open that and then swipe down again. There you will see an icon of power. Click on this and then it will launch your power menu. If you want to quickly charge your smartphone, then you can use the next feature. Open your settings, select battery, and there you will see the option of battery health and charging, and then enable this fast charging. Keep in mind it will warm your smartphone a little bit and also decrease the life of your phone's battery, but this will increase the charging speed of your phone. So if you're in a hurry, then you can use this one feature. This phone comes with AOD or always on display feature and a lot of cool styles. If you want to set this, then open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of always on display. Click on this, firstly enable this, and then select AOD styles. Here you have a lot of cool looking styles. You can select your favorite one. You can also further customize them. You can change the color, etc. After this, click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style. You can also customize the shape and size of the icons. To do that, open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and then select icons. From here you can increase and decrease the icon size. You can also rounded corners of icons. You can increase or decrease this. You can select exquisite icon styles if you want. You can also disable icon name if you want. In the same home screen and lock screen settings, you will see the option of color and style. From here you can change the UI color of the smartphone. Enable this, then it will show some color palettes and solid colors. Select your favorite color and then it will change the UI color of your smartphone to that color. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in the smartphone. The first way is to use your 3 fingers and then swipe down, then it will click a screenshot. The second way is to use your volume down button and power button at the same time, then it will click a screenshot. Now if you want to click a screenshot of a specific area or a cropped screenshot, then use your 3 fingers and then tap and hold on the display like this. Now select the area of which you want to click a screenshot. You can also select the shapes from here. After this, click on this save button. So that's how you can click a cropped screenshot in the smartphone. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo T4 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.